Hello students, in this video lesson we will study about one more salt in which common salt or NaCl is used as a raw material. This salt is baking soda. Now baking soda is a common name for sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Baking soda is sometimes added for faster cooking of food such as gram or chana. Children, you should know that baking soda is actually a basic salt as it is formed of a strong base which is sodium hydroxide and a weak acid which is carbonic acid. Strong base sodium hydroxide reacts with weak acid carbonic acid to form a salt which is sodium bicarbonate and water. So the solution of sodium bicarbonate in water will be basic in nature. Let us now study how sodium bicarbonate or baking soda is produced on large scale in the industries. Sodium bicarbonate is produced on large scale by reacting brine with ammonia and carbon dioxide. So when brine, that means NaCl and water, will combine with ammonia and carbon dioxide, the products formed will be ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. Some of the physical properties of sodium bicarbonate are: sodium carbonate consists of white crystals which are easily soluble in water, and as we have already studied, the solution of sodium bicarbonate in water will be mildly alkaline. Mildly alkaline means weakly basic in nature. So that means it is a mild, non-corrosive base. One of its important chemical property is that when sodium bicarbonate is heated, then it will decompose to form sodium carbonate with evolution of carbon dioxide gas and some amount of water. This reaction takes place when sodium bicarbonate is heated during cooking of food. Also, this reaction will be used in effervescent drinks like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, etc. Because of this property, baking soda is also used in making baking powder. Let us now discuss about some main uses of baking soda, which is the sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is used as an antacid in medicines to remove acidity of the stomach. Why? Because it is alkaline in nature. So it will neutralize the excess acid present in stomach and relieve us from indigestion. Sodium bicarbonate is also used in making baking powder, which is used in making cake, bread or other bakery products. Now baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a mild means weak edible acid. Edible acid means an acid which we can consume and it will not cause any harm to our body. These acids can be tartaric acid, citric acid or any other mild edible acid. So when baking powder is heated or mixed in water which is used to make the dough for the bread or cake or any other bakery product, then following reaction will take place. In this reaction, we can see that sodium bicarbonate will react with the hydrogen ion present in the mild edible acid to form a sodium salt, a lot of carbon dioxide and some amount of water. This carbon dioxide gets trapped in wet dough and bubbles out slowly, making the cake or the bakery product to rise and become soft and spongy. If baking powder is not added in the preparation of the bakery products, then these products will be hard and small in size. Children, here you need to remember that baking soda is very different from baking powder. Baking soda is a single compound, which is sodium bicarbonate. On the other hand, baking powder is a mixture of sodium bicarbonate, which is the baking soda, and a solid edible acid such as tartaric acid or citric acid. The next most important use of baking soda is that it is used in fire extinguishers. These fire extinguishers are known as soda acid type fire extinguishers. These fire extinguishers contain a solution of sodium bicarbonate and sulfuric acid in separate containers inside them. When the knob of the fire extinguisher is pressed, then sulfuric acid mixes with sodium bicarbonate solution to produce a lot of carbon dioxide gas, which forms a blanket around the burning substance and cuts off the supply of air to the burning substance. Since the supply of air is cut off, the process of burning stops and fire gets extinguished. So children, this was all about baking soda, its preparation, properties and uses. Now I have explained the uses in great detail because these uses are asked in exams in the form of give reason type questions. So learn them accordingly.